Oh, Deutsche Bank, Deutsche Bank. Deutsche Bank just can't catch a break. Zero hedge. Deutsche Bank slashes bonuses up to 15% after massive trading losses. Now, I thought banks, well, at least JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs, they could have, 364 days of epic trades, maybe 1 day of losses. Deutsche Bank, not so sure about that. Update, the day just got a lot worse for Deutsche Bank employees as Bloomberg reports staff just learned their bonuses. Throw me a freaking bonus. On Wednesday, with many facing deep cuts and some bankers... What? Okay. The day just got a lot worse for Deutsche Bank employees as Bloomberg reports staff just learned their bonuses on Wednesday, with many facing deep cuts and some bankers in New York and London receiving zero payouts. What about the bonuses? In January, we noted that the bank planned on cutting the company's bonus pool by about 10% this year, as the bank struggled to stay afloat, while at the same time trying to retain employees. But the latest report from Bloomberg suggests the cuts are worse, as the bonus pool for 2018 will be less than 2 billion euros, or 2.3 billion US dollars, between 10 and 15% lower than in 2017. And the bank is making more selective payouts. It attempted what? And the bank is making more selective payouts. It attempted to keep top earners, okay? As we detailed earlier, amid further resignations and increasingly loud calls for some kind of merger or nationalization of Germany's anchor bank, the news for Deutsche Bank just keeps getting worse. Bloomberg reports that Deutsche Bank, or Deutsche whatever, estimates that its equities trading unit lost around, $750 million last year, according to people with knowledge of the matter. As the Wall Street Journal reported on Tuesday, citing internal calculations, the bank at one point considered closing its entire equities operation, which understandable since the U.S. equities unit reportedly hasn't turned a profit for many years. Furthermore, Deutsche Bank's equities unit, headed by Peter Sellman, recently saw 2 further senior departures as the writing on the wall started to emerge. Ironically, or perhaps not, Deutsche Bank shares are flying higher after this report. Is bad news good news since it accelerates the bailout? Yeah, that kind of news. In this world, stock market crash. And they've got an interesting chart to share with you, which I, in turn, will share with you. Deutsche Bank, Lehman Brothers, back to back. How does that look? See, you are here. And we all know what happened with Lehman Brothers, that freaking collapse, right? So, anyways, a little quick news update on Deutsche Bank. Not looking good. I'd be running for the exits if I had anything to do with Deutsche Bank, its shares, anything that it even touched, that I might be touching. Take care.